What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you what you can do when the sound on your iPhone is too low. Okay, so first of all we need to know what options we have to control the volume on our iPhone. The main ones are the buttons. You have one here to increase the volume and one here to decrease the volume. Okay, the other thing you can do is to swipe down from the top right of your iPhone, like so. And as you can see right here, we can control the volume. Just touch and drag, lower the volume or increase the volume. And if you want to be more precise, you can click and hold that bar. And as you can see, it increases in size so you can see it better. And now you can be more precise. If you want to lower your volume even to the lowest degree, you can do that. Increase it max again. To return, just click anywhere besides the bar. Okay, and then to return to our home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Okay, so that's the other option to control the volume. The third one is you go to our settings right here, and there's my icon. But if you cannot find it, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Type in the word settings. There the icon appears, just click on that. Okay, so let's scroll down, and right here where it says sound and haptics, click that. Okay, so take a look at this bar right here. It says ringers and alerts. This one is just for that, for ringers and alerts. Okay, we can control that. As you see, you can lower that when someone calls us. That's how it's going to sound. Now take a look at this. It says silent mode on right here. Okay, that means that my switch right here is on no sound. It's on vibrate only. So if we actually want to hear our phone ring, we need to flip the switch upwards like so. As you see, silent mode off. Now if someone calls us, we can actually hear the ringer and our alerts. Okay, I'm gonna reestablish this to how it was before. Full volume. I like my iPhone on vibrate only, so for this, I'm just gonna set it like that. Now, there's another important option to consider. Right here where it says change with buttons. If right now it says the volume of the ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. The volume buttons, it means the physical buttons right here and right here. So if I click on those like so, I'm only modifying the volume of the sound, but not the ringers. However, if I do click this button, this option right here, now, as you can see, if I modify it, we are actually increasing or decreasing the sounds of the ringers and alerts. Okay, I'm going to change it back to how it was before. And if you want to change some other options like these ones, the ringtone, you can select any of these. I'm going to hit back. Text tone, like this. You can also select any of these. And many of the other options you have down here. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.